Back. It is time to talk about Format Painter tips. After you put a lot of effort into calculating a worksheet, you will usually want to add some finishing touches to make it look really nice and presentable. Whether you are creating a report for your head office or building a summary worksheet for the board of directors, proper formatting makes essential data stand out and convey the relevant information more effectively. Fortunately, Microsoft Excel has an amazing and simple way to copy formatting, often overlooked or underestimated. As you have probably guessed, I'm talking about the Excel Format Painter that makes it really easy to take one cell's format and apply it to another. The Format Painter brush icon is located in the clipboard group. With Format Painter, you can copy cell formatting, including number format, borders, cell merging, conditional formatting, and paste them over another range. Let's try an example. Highlight cell A1, click Format Painter, and select the A30 cell. Some tips are using the Format Painter. If you select a range of cells, you can paint another range by simply click a cell. The format is copied into that range that is the same size as the original selection. Select the range from A1 to J1. Press the Format Painter button and click on the A20 cell. Look at the results. If you double-click the Format Painter button, Excel remains in Format Painter mode until you cancel it with Escape or the button itself. This enables you to copy the format to multiple ranges of cells. If you want to remove all formatting from a range, select an unformatted cell, click the Format Painter button and drag it over the range. If you want to copy an object's format, just select the object. In our case, this star, click the Format Painter button and click another object. Nice job! There are so many variations and different techniques to use the Format Painter tool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.